Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve features on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve features on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to CapCut and you can click. Then this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. You'll search about CapCut video editor as you see. If you find here updating this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.